Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Facebook Stories showing up as a black screen. So if you can't view stories on your feed, follow along step by step to get them back. Alright, let's dive in. First, on your phone, find and long press the Facebook app icon and tap on App Info. From here, tap Force Stop to make sure the app is fully closed. Next, let's clear out any corrupted files. In the same App Info menu, tap on Storage, first tap Clear Data, then choose Clear Cache and press OK to confirm. This removes any temporary files or glitches that could be causing the black screen. Now, let's make sure your Facebook app is up to date. Go to the Play Store, search for Facebook, and check if there's a new update available. If there is, tap Update to install it. Updating ensures all the latest bug fixes are applied. Once that's done, open the Facebook app again and log in with your ID and password. Now try opening someone's story and you should be able to see all stories without the black screen. If it still doesn't work right away, don't worry. This seems to be a temporary issue affecting many users, and usually the problem fixes itself after a little while. And that's it. By force stopping the app, clearing cache and data, updating and logging back in, you can fix the black screen problem and start viewing stories again. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy fixes.